What's up, everybody? 2019 Topps Tier 1 Baseball. That's right, baseball. I know it's crazy to do baseball here, but every once in a while it happens. Here is a list of your teams. Thanks, everybody, for getting in. Much appreciated. Legacy Football is up. The only case I have, it's a master case, 24 boxes. There'll be lots of autos in there. I think there's 2 autos per box. It's 48 autos. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck, everybody. Clayton Kershaw on the front. This is when everybody gets to laugh at me because I don't know these guys' names and can't pronounce them for shit. So, good times. It is killer price, Josh. I was trying just to hurry up and move it, honestly, bro. That was the plan. Hurry up and move it. Albert Pujols to $3.99 jersey piece for the Angels. Derek Kilbride was going down, man. Carl Yastrzemski, to $3.99 for the Boston Red Sox. Yeah, that's some high number stuff, huh? Autos. Whit Merrifield to $2.99 for the Kansas City Royals. Nice hit for the Royals. Jeremy Davis. Damn. Franklin Barreto. Franklin Burrito. 188 at $2.99. Damn, I don't understand what's going on, but I got something stuck in my throat. Athletics, Wallace Lockhart. Sorry for all the throat clearing there, guys. Ted Williams cut, that would be nasty. Right, Jeremy? Like, damn. I don't know what's going on, dude. Okay, that last one had 4. This one only has 3. Kyle Seager to $3.99 for the Mariners. Your auto, Mitch Haniger for the Mariners as well to $2.40. Mitch for the Mariners. Mitch and the Mariners. It's a match made. 55 of $2.40. Mariners, Ron. Nice hit, Mr. Ron. Jeff McNeil, $2.44 of $2.50 for the Mets. Jeff McNeil and the Mets. Nice hit for the Mets. Scott Oishi. Box number 3. There's not much in these boxes, is there? David Price to 399 for the Red Sox. David Price. Jersey piece. I think that says game used. Game used memorabilia right there. Got a patch auto. Aaron Nola to 45. Nice hit for the Phillies. It's a sticker auto. Single color. Aaron Nola for the Phillies. Phillies going to Mr. Dave Jenkins. Picked him up in the mini. Man, Jeremy, I remember Topps always saying, like when they're football, this relic is not from any particular game, event, or something. That's what I remember back when when they were doing football. Brian Anderson. Mr. Anderson for the Marlins. 10 of 250. Brian Anderson. Nice hit for the Marlins. Another filler team, Mr. Kai. Nice hit, Kai. This is box number 4. Relic piece, Jesus Aguilar for the Brewers. 138 of 399. Jesus Aguilar for the Brewers. Alkaline. 67 of 100. This is old school for the Tigers. For the Detroit Tigers. Tigers going to Ron Gustafson. Mini team, nice hit. And Austin Meadows, 40 of 250 for the Rays. 40 of 250 for the Rays. Rays are Andrew Hagan. Nice hit, Andrew. Jeremy, you just jinxed it, bro. You just jinxed it. Now it's fixing to get nasty. Clayton Torres, 147 of 399 for the New York Yankees. Mr. Torres. What's up, Dan Ford? Loves Tier 1. Carlton Fisk, nice. 21 of 25. Carlton Fisk, the gold auto. Boston Red Sox. I didn't want to call the team without looking. I thought Red Sox, but I was like, oh crap, I don't know. Carlton Fisk, 21 of 25. For the Orioles, Josh Rogers. 167 of 250. Who's got the Red Sox? Jeremy Davis. Nice hit, Jeremy Davis. Josh Rogers going to the Orioles. That's Mr. Ron Neipel. Congrats, Ron Neipel. 167 of 250. I like his signature. That's pretty cool. What's up, Mr. Paul Pappas? You want beans or papas? Papas. That's how you say potatoes in Spanish. Papas. Something like that. Close. Astros, Mr. Verlander to 399. Justin Verlander. Vlad Jr. one time. I heard he was on fire lately. Dale Murphy, old school. 128 of 150 for the Atlanta Braves. Look at that freaking uni. Dale Murphy. Who's got the Braves? Ron Neipel again. Congrats, Ron. Mr. Neipel. For the Mets, Zach Wheeler. 211 of 240. Zach Wheeler. 211 of 240. Scott Oishi. Nice hit, Scott. Relic card, Kyle Schwarber for the Chicago Cubs to 399. The Cubbies. Cubs, Mr. Christian Walter. Nice hit, bro. Josh Hader. 272 of 299. Hader Hatter. That is for the Brewers, going to Christian Walter again. Nice hit. I know, Ron. I was messing with you, bro. I was wondering if you were going to say anything. 104 to 299. Felipe Vasquez for the Pirates. He's a hater. I was sitting here thinking, Ron, like, what if his name's not Nipple? What if it's Neipel? Pirates going to Wallace Lockhart. Nice hit, Wallace. Two relic cards on this one. Matt Olson to 399 for the Oakland Athletics. Matt Olson. Salvador Perez. Salvador Perez for the Royals. The K isn't silent. I always call you Nipple, bro. How do you say your last name? 23 of 399. I've been wrong this whole time, Ron? Cheese and crackers. Ronald Acuna Jr., 72 of 100 for the Braves. Braves. Ron again. So the N is silent. Ronald Acuna Jr. So it's Kipple. Tyler Mell, 241 of 250. Or is it Molly? .241 of 250 for the Reds, Mr. Bricker. Bricker has the Reds. Nice hit, dude. Mel. Oh, okay. See, Jeremy, I knew I'd miss some. He sucks. Oh shit, that's funny. He said, "Boo, he sucks." Carlos Carrera, $3.99. That dude doesn't suck. I know that. For the Astros, him and George Springer over there doing big things. Houston Astros. We got a redemption. Chris Davis. Tier 1 talent autograph, Chris Davis. I have no idea who that goes to. Thank you, Internet. Nice hit, whoever that goes to. Knipple? Nothing silent. Knipple. 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 Ron Knipple. Okay. I got you, bro. Dylan Cousins. 24 of 25 for the Phillies. That's the Athletics. Who's got the Athletics? Wallace Lockhart. Nice hit. Wallace on the redemption. 24 of 25. All right, Ron. I can't believe this whole time I've been messing up your name, bro. I'm just going to call you Ron K. Ronnie K. I wonder if those little nicknames bother people. Knipple. If you say it fast, it's not too bad. Odubel, Herrera, Odubel. That's a weird name. For the Phillies, to $3.99. Why is it got a blue piece? Where's blue on there? The star doesn't look blue. I mean, it does, but not that light blue. And Trevor Story for the Colorado Rockies. 288 of 299. Last day of school. It's tomorrow, and the school keeps calling me. No thank you, school. Nice hit for the Rockies. I think that was a pretty cheap team, wasn't it? Andrew Hagan, yeah, $19. Blue throwback, okay. Harrison Batter. 191 of 250 for the Cardinals. Christian Walter. 191/250. Nice hit for the Cads. Last two boxes. Down to the last two boxes. Guys, there's some football up. Help a brother out. We got one case. Let's get it full. Joey Gallo. Callo. Tell me that movie. Tell me that movie. That's a great movie. To the Rangers. Texas Rangers. Man, they're only about 5 hours away from me. I want to go see a game. I won't know the players, but I really want to go see a game. I want to take my son to a ball game. He's never been. So we're trying to go. For the New York Yankees, Luis Severino. What's up, Jimmy Smith? 66/125 for the Yanks, Mr. Gustafson. Nobody knows that movie? 66/125. For the Mets, Zach Wheeler, 10/10 with the silver auto. That's nice. New York Mets, Scott Oishi, 10/10. Last box, guys. Last box. Good luck, everybody. The double relic. Javier Baez for the Chicago Cubbies /375. For the Cubs. D. Gordon for the Mariners /399. D. Gordon and the Mariners. Jim Rice for the Boston Red Sox, 16/25, old school. If you hold it just right, it looks like he didn't even sign it. Jim Rice for the Red Sox. Jeremy Davis, nice hit, Jeremy. Last hit of the break, Brandon Nimmo, Finding Nemo, 248/250. More Mets. Man, that's a lot of Mets cards. Brandon Nimmo. That's it, fellas. That is it. No more boxes to open. Thank y'all very much. No, you got an auto, Josh. No more baseball. You know I don't get much baseball anyway, bro. I wish I could, though. Thanks, Ron. Appreciate it, bro. Thanks, everybody, for getting in.